Doing well.
Thank you very much. You are live on Hits 103.9 FM in Ghana, Accra, Ghana.
Yeah.
Albert, you are suing Medical, or you are yet to sue him for using or taking interpolation of your song "Welcome" by Alabaster Box. Is that right?
I think your second aspect was partially right. So what has happened is we've identified the fact that our intellectual property has been used, and for that reason we're trying to engage, and we just needed to formalize it. So we sent them a legal representation letter.
What will make this not go to court or not become legal?
So we needed to formalize it, and that is hence we having a legal representation who is part of the team. It's not a court sermon. It's an invitation to let them know that this is what we've done, this is what we've identified, and these are the requests from us. As in, they should stop using it because there's not been any conversation with us, and so it's not yet gotten to court. It is all up to Medical's team to come to the table for that conversation. Initially, we've had some level of conversation with one of their team members, but we needed to formalize it, and since then, everything has gone quiet.
Okay, Albert, now these are some of the demands you've made. The immediate removal of the song from all digital and traditional platforms. Now you're also demanding the cessation of any marketing, performance, or business related to the song, right?
Yes.
And also termination of any contracts. Now, what can be done to mitigate this?
At the end of the day, you cannot just use someone's intellectual property and without any conversation. Until we've actually had that proper conversation, we're still holding on to that demand. So it's up to the team to actually have come forward, have that conversation, so we know where things could be. But until then, these demands hold.
For educational purposes, how is he supposed to have these talks? Must he write? Must he respond to the letter publicly? Must he write to? Is there any address he's supposed to contact, or must it come openly? What should be done?
But there is a legal representation. The lawyer is written to the team, so the team needs to write back to the lawyer. And I think one of the things that, in my experience within the industry, is the fact that a lot of us don't take copyright seriously. And this situation is even heightened because Alabaster Box, all their music is being registered internationally. And for that reason, even if we want to take the case up anywhere in any jurisdiction, we have the right to do so, because I have personally registered all their songs internationally to make sure their copyright and intellectual property is properly protected.
Okay. For now, since it hasn't gone any far, we will wait or rest on it till Medical responds, and we'll knock on your door again.
Definitely. We've not closed that door. We just need them to engage.
Righty. Right. Thank you very much for talking to us, Albert.
You're welcome.
Right. Listeners, that's manager for Alabaster Box, Albert Kito, reaching us from the United Kingdom. Kwame, you on?
This is Hits.